So good morning to everyone. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Everyone is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yesterday what we discussing?
Change asset master, sir.
Change asset master is done, correct?
Yes.
So now let us go today. Create sub asset master. Create sub asset master. Path SAP menu. Accounting. Accounting. Financial accounting. Fixed assets. Asset. Create. Sub number. Asset. AS11 is a So when you are creating a subasset, you have to mention the main asset number. Within the main asset, we need to create a subasset. Okay. So molding mission, I'm just creating. The main asset number. Company code. The main asset number, company code, number of similar assets 1. So polishing motor. Polishing motor. So at the rate of button. So time dependent attributes will copy from the main asset. So no need to maintain. Just write down. You can write down time dependent attributes will copy it from the main asset. And allocations also will be copied from the main asset. Save it. The sub-asset master is ready. Sub-asset master is ready. Sub-asset master is created. Okay. So molding machine, polishing motor, both are created. So Master data is ready. Let's do the acquisitions. So procurement. Okay. So write down asset acquisition with vendor. Asset acquisition with vendor. Path SAP menu. Accounting. Financial accounting. Fixed assets. Posting. Acquisition. Actional acquisition with vendor. Attachment. So I'm just taking 1/4/2021 onwards. So just give one party vendor. Enter. Ten lakhs. Asset purchase with vendor. Hello? Select packing building. So packing building is a asset. Enter. So for asset, when you're giving asset, transaction type is mandatory. Without giving transaction type, it will not. So give transaction type 100.
Transaction type means
100. Transaction type is like So for material movements and for assets, transaction type is mandatory. So 100 is a acquisition, external acquisition. External acquisition, the transaction type. So based on this only, your asset will be recorded with acquisitions. Because here asset model is different, GL model is different. Okay, connecting between asset model with GL model, the external transaction type is very very important. So transaction type is 100, enter. But for every asset transactions, transaction type is mandatory. It may be a acquisition, or it may be a retirement, it may be a transfer, it may be a, okay, shutdown. So it depends on what activity you are doing for asset, that is going to be mentioned through transaction type. Okay, enter. See, from the asset master, it picks everything, your business area, profit center, okay, asset number, everything picks automatically. Star to copy the amount, plus now to copy the text. Simulate. So note it down this entry. So asset will be debited 70 debit, 75 credit. Okay. Asset number will be debited 2 lakh 110 account is a buildings account debited. NVR Constructions Private Limited. Vendor. Both are subledgers only. So asset number is a subledger, vendor is a subledger. This is a document. And if you see general ledger view, so please note it down GL view. So 2 lakh 110 account number is buildings account and credit to the trade payable service account. Okay, done everyone? So now action acquisition with vendor is done. So let us see the asset report now. Asset Explorer. Asset Explorer. పాత SAP menu. Accounting. Financial accounting. Fixed assets. Asset. Asset Explorer. AW01N. AW01N. So you can see that GI01 company code, packing building, Balnagar. So 10 lakh. So this is my asset value. Okay. So if we double click on the line item, you can see that what is the entry just now you posted. Okay. So, and this is a 31,700 is a planned depreciation value. So this is for as per the local GAAP. So as per the local GAAP, Companies Act, SLM depreciation is calculated. And this is a net book value after 1 year. Okay. And if it is a posted depreciation, we'll know how much depreciation is calculated. So it is not posted. But you can see here yellow color items with the planned. So for each month, what is the depreciation value? Each month 2605, 2693, 2605 like this. We have each month what is my value. You can see that comparisons 31,700, 31,700 like this every month, every year. So depreciation value is showing. And what is the depreciation key we maintain? You can see here. So what is the depreciation key? What is my useful lifetime? What is my added depreciation start date? So all these things you can see that. And as per the US GAAP, as per the US GAAP, so the value showing in a USD currency, 528 depreciation value. And what is my month-wise depreciation? You can see in dollars. And book depreciation IFRS. And this is going to be calculated based on the lifetime of the asset. Based on the lifetime of the FS, the depreciation is being calculated. 33,000. So local GAAP depreciation is 37,700. So IFRS depreciation 33,000. And delta depreciation difference between IFRS and local GAAP, you can see that. So the delta depreciation you can see 1633. 1633 is a so local GAAP minus IFRS. And income tax depreciation 10% depreciation on 1 lakh, 1 lakh depreciation. Okay. So this is an estimated depreciation for the particular assets. Clear now? So every asset, when you post a transaction, the value will be shown like this. Next. So actional acquisition, asset acquisition without vendor. Same path, ABZONT code. Asset acquisition without vendor, ABZONT code. So land at Patancheru. In today's date. 22 lakhs. Asset purchase without vendor. So your asset acquisition clearing account is triggered 22 lakhs. Save it. Now for this zero depreciation. So asset, if you see the asset explorer, depreciation is zero. So land 22 lakhs. It may be local gap. It may be a US gap. It may be IFRS. So everywhere depreciation is zero. 0% depreciation. It's no depreciation, no interest. So no depreciation, no interest. Okay. And let us go with vendor again. -90. So 15/5/2020. ₹25,05,000. Enter 5 lakhs. Enter. Star to copy the amount. Plus mark to copy the text. And if you see Asset Explorer, AW01M, corporate office building 5 lakhs. So depreciation is calculated 13,000. But when it comes to April month, it's a zero depreciation. First period, zero depreciation. And May month, it's calculated for 15 days. So because we purchase asset from 15th onwards, okay? So 15th, 15 days, it is calculated in the May month. Remaining all months, it is calculated based on the dates. This is for June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, again September 30 days. Like this, it is going to be calculated. 30 days, 31 days, which is calculated. And February, 28 days. So 12, 16, it is calculated. Okay. So depreciation is going to be calculated based on the date, to the date. Depreciation to the date will be there. So depreciation to the date. Selected yes. Yes means how many days are there. Up to that date, it will be calculated. Suppose if it is a depreciation to the date, no is there. Only every month, 30 days only it will be calculated depreciation. Okay. So here it depends on the days. 30 days is there, 30 days will be 31 days, 31 days will be calculated. So that is a thing. So next, saying go to F-19. And June 21st. One minute, please. Yeah, sorry. So here, so 1 June 1st, give the vendor 1 rupee. I'm just giving asset purchase with vendor 70. Chair, corporate office chair. $28,000. Again 70. Ancharu. So 26,000. Balnagar. $25,000. So here we have last one is missing. Huh? Okay, total 4 assets we gave it. And click on overview button. And double click on vendor line item. Give star to copy the amount. Give star to copy the amount. Save it. So now if you see GL view, so profit center wise, the splitting will happen. So please note it down the center with values. So different business areas, different profit centers. Okay, done everyone? Okay. Now let's create, let us post one more entry with the low value asset on 1/4/2020. So the low value asset must be less than 5,000. Suppose if you give more than 5,000, it will accept or not, we'll see that. Okay, first check it. No, don't write it. We'll check it first. 5,001 rupee I'm giving. See, this low value asset maximum amount is exceeded. So it means you cannot post low value assets more than 5,000. So let us now write it down. 1/4/2020, starting date of the financial year I am giving. $5,000. Star to copy the amount, plus mark to copy the text. Document simulate and save. Document simulate and save. Now if we see Asset Explorer, AW01N, and the low value asset 5,000 asset, this is fully depreciated in 1 year. Within 1 year it is depreciated everything. Next year the asset value becomes 0. And if you see comparisons, so this is the asset value, acquisition value, blank 0.
Sir,
Yes, please.
hold on, purchasing in mid of the year, then low value asset mid of the year.
So 1 year it will be calculated. So when we calculate, let us assume June 1st we calculated. June 1st to next June 1st.
Okay.
So acquisition part is done except asset procurement. So we'll see on Monday the depreciation calculation, retirement and transfers. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day to all.